Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Bottom left bezel and battery. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Carefully remove the display panel cable from the adhesive on the display enclosure. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the system board. Remove the display panel cable. Replacement. Insert the display panel cable into the display panel ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Apply pressure to the length of the display panel cable to adhere it into position on the display enclosure.